So there are some more settings that you need to take care of. For example, let's say you want to put the retargeting codes. For example, let's say the Facebook retargeting code or Google Analytics pixel or maybe a chat plugin or anything. Whatever code you want to add, you can put it right over here, right? So you need to click on the settings and you need to click on retargeting codes. At the same time, you want to give your page a name. For example, let's say, sorry, training. So this is the name of my page. You want to give it a description, right? Let's say awesome training, right? At the same time, let's say the author. So this is how it's gonna look like inside the Google, right? Whenever this page is loading or whenever this page is shared on social media and stuff, right? And you want to add some keywords over here. For example, let's say Facebook ads, right? So this is something that you can do. And then you want to add an image, for example, right? So let's say this is the image that I want to add. So you just need to click on it once, right? And we have the image, and then you need to click on update. So this is the SEO settings. Click on the cross icon. This is done. At the same time, if you want to change the URL of this page, so you can click on edit URL. You can go to say action, click on edit URL, and over here you can change the URL of this page. So for example, let's say I want to make it FB-special. For example, this is a Facebook special training, and then click on publish. So after you have done anything, you need to click on publish, and that's how it will be published into your live page. At the same time, let's suppose if you want to make some changes that you don't want to publish in your live page right now, but you want to save them and you want to come back to it and do some changes over there later on. So you just click on save, and that's how you can do it. So now let's go to the published URL once again, and you will see that this page has a name now, right? So this is Saurabh Bhatnagar, this is Saurabh Training, and the URL is this sbu.flexifunnels.com slash fb special, right? So now we have a URL over here that looks like this, right? And then we have the remaining page. So these are some of the basic settings. You can click on back to pages, for example, and this will take you to your project, right? The project that you have created. And over here also you can do all of this stuff. For example, you can go to page settings, and you can change the URL from here. At the same time, just to remember what page is this, you wanna change the name over here. So you can do that, fb-special. So inside your project it should look like this. Do you see this is changed? So back to overview, and we have other things. For example, you want to clone the page URL, reports. I mean, this reports tab will come into picture whenever you are getting some opt-ins using this page. So in this page we don't have the opt-in, so it's okay, right? And yeah, so these are some of the basic settings, right? At the same time, it if you want to add a domain to this particular project, once again you need to click on project settings and you can select a domain, right? And that's how you can add a domain to it. So yeah, this is the other page settings that are there, page and project settings that are there, right? So yeah, this is it for this particular video. I'm gonna see you in the next one.